Hi judges, it's Melissa Rivera from Vibrant Aesthetics. This is week 2 for the pigmentation category, and this week we're going to be discussing the treatment plan. In my treatment plan, I'm going to be combining both aggressive and equally soothing modalities. This will help to deliver both balanced and effective results. I'm going to stay consistent with the types of treatments I'm choosing, so this way we can achieve progressive results, meaning that we're going to build upon the last session every time. This is a great way for improving the skin over time. Over the next 8 weeks, I plan on doing at least 5 to 6 Factor 5 RDS peels. These peels contain TCA, Kojic Acid, and hydrogen peroxide. They mainly target stubborn pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, and they also refine the skin's texture. In addition to that, I would also like to do 2 ProCell microchanneling sessions on her. This is to help repair her skin, even out tone and texture. It helps with pigmentation, also helps to rebuild collagen and elastin. And in between all of those aggressive treatments, we will be having some weeks where we're just going to be doing a hydrating, calming, soothing facial that's just going to help make her barrier strong and keep her skin hydrated and healthy. Her home care regimen primarily consists of SkinBetter products, which I love because of their advanced ingredient technology. These formulations are designed to deliver high-performance actives deep into the skin to help retrain the skin to function optimally and maintain long-term health. So that concludes week 2 for Dawn, and we will see you next week.